Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this beautiful 36mm Breitling Galactic. Breitling as a brand focuses a lot on very masculine and very aerodynamic watches, and when they make ladies watches they bring a lot of that energy and a lot of those elements into ladies watches, which I really like to see. So this one is a great looking, very aerodynamic, very kind of pilot looking watch, but it's on a smaller scale. It's got these very chunky hands, a large second subdial, and of course the date. And it's got these beautiful diamonds on the bezel, and it's got these diamond hour markers and this gorgeous mother of pearl that, as you can see, it's split at this rectangle in the middle, which is such a cool element of design that I really don't see anywhere else. It's also got this really fun orange band, and Breitling also has a lot of band and strap options, so you can switch this one out if you would like, but I really like the orange, so I think I would just keep that. And I think this watch would pair so beautifully with more blue jewelry. If you know your color theory, orange and blue are opposites or complementary colors, and so they look great together. Or of course you could wear even more orange or more bright and fun colors with this watch. I think this is such a beautiful piece. I think this is a really unusual piece, and I think this is a piece that you would absolutely love to have in your collection, especially if you are a fan of larger, sportier looking watches with lots of diamonds and mother of pearl as well. So if you are looking to purchase this watch as a gift for yourself or for someone that you love, you should check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.